welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So first we'll just open the box. Here we got the paper silicone of the paper case. And now here we can see that our device comes with the original HUAWEI Smart Charger Supercharger brick. And here on the back side of the chart you got all the specs with the QR code, so you can check all the information. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.